In this video tutorial, I'll show you how to manage permissions in Virola Messenger. By default, only administrator can create or remove user profiles, change permissions and grant users different roles or revoke them. Let's see how this works. To grant a user admin role, I need to open the user's profile. I click Administration, then Manage Users. Let's say I choose James Smith. You can see his access rights in his user profile. By clicking on the pencil icon, you will be able to change the user's role. Just tick the confirmation box and click Yes. Now James has full admin rights. You can see a green hashtag appeared on his avatar, which indicates that he has become an administrator. Virola also has group permissions that allow or forbid users to create group and private chat rooms. If you go to Administration and click Manage Permissions, you will be able to grant or revoke permissions to create private and group chat rooms. These permissions are applied to all your users. Virola administrators and regular users can be also moderators in group chat rooms. By default, Virola administrator is also a moderator in any group chat room. However, regular users can also be moderators in group chat rooms they create. Chat room moderator can remove and rename the room, add or remove users there, as well as edit or delete any message in the room. By clicking the right mouse button on a user's avatar, you can enable or disable moderator role for this user in this particular group chat room. I'll grant Kate this new role, click Confirm, and now I can see the letter M appeared on her avatar, which means that she's a moderator now. If I click the right mouse button again, I'll be able to revoke moderator role. Now you know how to manage permissions in Virola. You can also explore Virola's user manual or contact our support team via live chat, and we will gladly answer any questions. Thanks for watching.